Thank you to everybody who's maintained social distancing over the bank holiday weekend. The lockdown is now going to be continued for a further 3 weeks, which means we really need to make sure we continue to do the social distancing to make sure we look after our own health and the health and well-being of our friends and families in our communities. I'm extremely proud of the way that our community has responded over the last 3 weeks to what has been a real emergency for us. In terms of volunteers, over 1,600 people have volunteered. Actually far more probably volunteers than what we currently need and are using to support residents. We have hundreds of staff who are also working volunteers, helping to staff and operate places like this, which is a food distribution hub for those who are not on the shielding programme, but those who do actually need further support to remain at home at this difficult time. We have over 700 staff who have been redeployed, helping with areas such as social care, whether it's Meals on Wheels delivering hundreds of meals out in the community every day, or whether it's supporting key services such as refuse and recycling services. So I'm really proud of the staff around the Clontarf and our communities for the way we responded to what is a really difficult and challenging time. Some of the really important things that staff have been doing is, for example, providing the business support grants. Over £31 million has now been paid out to those businesses who have been badly affected. In the last week alone, we've collected over 1,800 tonnes of rubbish and refuse recycling, again by our key staff on the front line. In terms of putting out public messages, just like this one, we've put out hundreds of messages to the public about services and what's going on, and actually we've had an incredible 16 million views on our social media platforms. We continue to try and put messages out to inform of what's going on and for any changes in services, and also when government advice changes. Lastly, I would say please try and stay at home. Please listen to the advice, social distance as much as you can. A huge effort has been made to try and bring down the spread of this virus, and if we all work together, we can protect the NHS, we can save lives, so please stay home.